Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp marketing automation for your business? Let's dive straight into creating your Aisensy account. First, head over to the Aisensy website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually located in the top right corner or the center of the page. Click on it. You'll be directed to the registration form here. You'll need to fill in your details: your full name, a valid email address, your phone number including the country code, and a strong, secure password. Make sure you use an email address you have access to. When creating your password, pay attention to any password strength requirements displayed. Usually, it needs to be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Before proceeding, carefully read Aisensy's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you understand and agree to them, tick the checkbox. Now, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to submit your registration. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Aisensy. This might take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. Also, check your spam folder. Open the email and find the verification link or button. Click on it to verify your email address. Congratulations, your account is now created and verified. You'll be redirected to the Aisensy Dashboard, where you can start exploring its features and setting up your WhatsApp marketing campaigns. Start exploring.